Proof is a hands-off psychological test where a thought-of image is revealed by the cards themselves. It begins with a handful of simple images, animals and food, chosen because your brain reacts to them instantly. Some are in color, some in black and white, pulling your attention in different directions. They think of any image and lock it in. Nothing is written down, they never reveal their thought, yet the cards do.
So, you've seen the images, you're going to think of one, okay? Just think of one. I'll just do that and lock one in mind. Again, black and white pictures, colored pictures, food, items, animals. Think of one, okay? You have one in mind. Okay, let's set up a packet. We're going to be doing this 3 times. Is the image you are thinking of amongst those? Yes or no? No. Is the image that you are thinking of here?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay, and final time, and the final time. Is it here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's see the proof. I'm going to divide the packet. I'm going to divide that packet as well. And finally, divide that one. The first packet will tell me the category, if you are thinking of a food item or an animal. So if I turn this over, this is an animal. You are thinking of an animal, correct?
Yes.
This packet will tell me if you are thinking of a colored picture or a black and white one. And it's a colored picture. And finally, that one will tell me the first letter of your thought of image.
Oh.
So here we have a pizza. That means you are thinking of an animal. It's a colored image. It starts with a P.
What is?
Here we have a pizza, P. So an animal starts with P and it's a colored picture. Are you thinking of the parrot?
Yes, I am.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
Are you thinking of the parrot?
Yep, that was it. Yes.
And that's it, right there.
Amazing.
Proof by Nikolas Mavresis and Carey.